Hi, this is Allie Johnson, and I'm here to show you some cool features of Hotsheets when they are combined with the maps. And I know many of you already have your Hotsheets customized, so I'm going to look at my Hotsheet right now, and I'm going to check out just the regular Hotsheet. That's great. It shows me what's new and residential. It shows me everything else. But I want to combine that with some map data, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to customize. I'm going to make a new Hotsheet. I'm going to press customize, and then I'm going to add, and I'm going to call this one, maybe let's talk about some hot areas for flips. So I'm going to save that. Okay, and then we're going to give it some criteria. Tell me what to look for. So I want to know all of the different statuses. So I'm going to select all of those by using shift and clicking to the end, and then I'm going to give it a map search. And we can add rectangles, radiuses, radii, and polygons to the map to show different areas. And this is something that you can only do with the map. So let's look at, I'm going to do Military Park, Mesta Park, and the Village. Those are all very different from each other. Okay, so here's Military Park. I'm going to draw a polygon here, and I'm just going to click, 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 and click. Okay, so I'm going to say include this shape. All right, got it. I am going to go to Mesta Park and again draw a polygon, 23rd. I'm going to say include this shape. All right, so you see now I have two shapes on my map. I'm going to go back up to the Village here. All right, and I'm being pretty liberal with these boundaries here just for the purposes of a short video. All right, bump. All right, include this shape. All right, so I'm going to press OK. All right, and then I'm going to press save. All right, and you can move up or down. I'm going to move it up. I'm going to say done. And so now, hot areas for flip. That's the top of my hot sheet. Pretty cool. You can see this is what's going on. I can also look at my map and see right inside of all of these what's actually going on. So I can use those and understand and click on each listing, click right into the MLS as well. So very cool to do. I'm going to go back to my results, and it says that I'm displaying my hot sheet results. Well, what if one of these is something that I want to pick up right away, or my client's looking at, and I want to make a call? It would be really nice to have that information on this sheet. So I'm going to add some columns, and you hover over any column until you get the square crosshairs, the arrows, and you're going to say insert column. And there's a lot of columns in our MLS, lots of data keeping us going. Oops, here we go. And I sure would like to know the listing agent's full name and direct work phone and maybe the email. I'm going to apply those, and they should appear on my right hand side, and I can then move different columns around how I want. All right, so I'm going to put their name first, then their phone number, and then their email. I'm going to bring my days on market over here. All right, I like that display. So I'm going to ask it, I want to save it. I want to save a copy. I'm going to call it hot sheet flip areas. Or I'm just going to call it hot sheet with agent names. I'm going to save it as a copy, and then immediately my display shows this. So I have that as my display. And if I go to my gear icon, I want that to be displayed on every hot sheet that I bring up. So if I go back to my home page, I can go into any hot sheet and it's going to default to that display. So I have those folks at the ready on the view. So pretty cool. I'm going to go back again. Hot areas for flips. There you go. So it both retained my view and it retained my map criteria. And we don't have to worry about anything artificial in our data sets. You know, we drew it right on the map. We know exactly what we want and where we want it. So pretty good. If you need any help, please contact the MLS help desk. It's right there under news and alerts, 405-841-5353. You can also come down to the bottom and click MLS OK Help Desk and submit a support request, and they would be happy to help you. Thanks.